So shooting this video, I had to sort of check out how many pairs I bought this year so far, and goddamn. What's good guys, Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles On, and today's topic is like a recap of the year so far. We're basically halfway through the year, so what's happened, what have been my top 5 releases. It's been very hard to pick that. I'm kind of regretting it. Looking at the pile on the floor right now, I don't even think I've chosen the right 5, but let's get on with the video. So 2018 so far, been a crazy year for sneakers and sneaker releases. I did a video earlier in the year saying a Nike going too hard. I still think they kind of are. Like, if you're a big fan of Nike, your bank balance is going to be super on the low because they've released so much fire, so much heat, new silhouettes. The whole React stuff has just been crazy. Don't know how far they're going to take that, if they're going to keep going or what. But yeah, it's been a bit of a mad one for Nike. But just recently came out with the sales percentage or whatever it is, and they're up compared to what they was last year, whatever it is. So it's worked in the long run. They've gone super duper hard this year, taken some market share back away from Adidas, who have had a decent year, but a bit of a low-key year. There's not been that many sort of bangers where Adidas has totally like owned a weekend or something like that. It feels like every weekend Nike, Jordan brand is just killing it with something new, whether it's a Levi's release, the Off-White stuff, Nike Max 1s, just going crazy. It's just been overload, but overload of fire. Now, speaking of other brands, as I said, Adidas, I don't think they've done, for me personally, they've not really excited me too much. Obviously the Yeezys and stuff as usual, the 500s don't do nothing for me. The 700s are kind of cool, but probably not going to get a pair. They brought out, I don't know how many V2s, maybe it's just the one pair of V2s this year, so it's not been super duper hype for that. The Calabasas stuff is on sale, which I wasn't expecting, because the first pair that came out, that sort of off-whitish colorway, that was going for like £300, but once they went for the grey and the black, now you can find them for like under retail in regular stores. So kind of didn't work for them big time with that one, but I didn't expect it to do that because it was basically a power phase, nothing crazy. Like if it was a regular power phase, no one would go to the shop for it, but you throw Calabasas on it, it's a Yeezy, kind of. It got a bit more hype, but yeah, they didn't kill it. Asics, I don't think they did too much that was sort of groundbreaking. They still need to fix up the Adora, couple little pieces, but nothing worth me sort of investing in too much. New Balance, a couple little pieces again, but not enough for me to dive in with that high price tag. Saucony, the odd little bit here and there, but nothing again. These companies slacking, super slacking. I'm trying to think who have left out. Yes, Puma. Again, I did another video on Puma saying Puma the next up. Kind of feels like they might be. In the recent month or so, they've been getting a lot of attention. They've pushed really hard. I've seen some other people talking about pairs. Like I saw Mo Stack, rapper in the UK, he did a Snapchat, sorry, that someone posted of a pair. He was saying Mo Stacks times Puma coming soon. And it was just a pair of the GR Puma RSO plays. And I saw people posting it on Twitter saying, oh my God, can't wait for these, gonna be sick. And then I was like, you know, you can just go to a shop and buy them right now for £85. Like, that's the kind of thing that you see where Mo Stack, who people think dresses cool and stuff like that, he normally wears designer gear and all that. A bit of an influencer, he posts a picture of some sneakers. People assumed it was a Mo Stack collab, and they got super gassed about it, where it was just a regular GR, but a pretty nice pair of trainers from Puma. I'll throw up a picture during this so you can see what I'm talking about, but that's kind of stuff that happens. That's what I was saying. Puma needs to get the right people to get it on and popping. But I think that is enough of a recap for this year. It's been super hot fire. A lot of sneaker releases have taken many L's, but not enough L's on stuff that I super duper care about. I feel like majority of stuff that I really wanted, I ended up getting, luckily, or I don't think I really paid resale for anything this year. I think it's been alright so far. But But anywho, let's get to the top 5 of my pickups so far. And as I said, I'm not sure if I agree with my pickups myself, but let's get to it. So coming in at number 5 is a pair of Air Max 1s. I think I picked up 4 pairs of Air Max 1s this year, which is crazy because last year was the first pair of Air Max 1s I ever picked up. But out of the 4, I think this is the pair that's going to make it in the list. Well, definitely is making it because it's in my hand right now, and it is, boom, the Air Max 1 Watermelons. These are actually a GR pair, but they're just so fire. The green, the little pink hit. You're going to see from my top 5, now that I'm looking at it, there's going to be a kind of a bit of a theme to this. But yeah, these are super hot fire. You can still pick them up. Always see them restocked on Twitter and stuff on my little links and all that. So check them out if you've not. Down to number 4. So number 4, as I said, is, boom, Jordan 3 black cements. They had to be on the list. These are technically like a double up because I have the pair from God knows what year it was actually. I can't even remember what year it was now, but a long time ago, maybe 2009 or something crazy like that. But yeah, had to get these pair and they had to make it in my top 4 list because these are probably in my top 5 sneakers of all time anyways. But because it's a double up, it's not as special, but had to be on the list anyways. Jordan 3 black cements. Now to number 3. At number 3, and as I said about the whole theme that you might be picking up from this, it is, boom, a pair of Asics Gel Light 3s, a collaboration with N Clothing. These are called the Wasabis. If you've not seen my review for these sneakers, I've got a review for every single pair that I'm showing you right now, so you can check them all out. But this pair right here, not only are they super fire, but the box they came in is crazy, and the whole packaging. They came with like chopsticks and like a soy sauce container and all that. Proper went well with the wasabi theme. They proper killed it. Loads of little logos and stuff written all over it, and on the back there. This sort of light green colorway with some more pink hits. Green and pink, green and pink. Seeing what I'm saying here? But yeah, super fire. Love these shoes. They come in at number 3. So I've got 2 pairs in my hands right now. I'm not sure which to choose for number 2. Very close, but I think I'm gonna go for this pair. And it is my most recent video. Boom. Feature times Saucony Shadow 6000s Living Fossils collab. Saucony killed it. As I said, Saucony hasn't killed it too much this year, but this pair right here, woo, super fire, super duper fire. I said in the video these might possibly be my favorite sneaker pickups of the year, but after considering actually what I've actually picked up, because I forgot about some of them that was actually this year, I think it's just gonna about make second. It could have easily made first, but check the review if you've not seen it. It's my most recent video after this one. The details are absolutely bonkers in these. They killed it. And number 1, if you're following this, I bet you can't even think which pair it's gonna be, because I don't know why, but I totally forgot about this pair as being a pickup this year. It just so happens that I was listening to the Sneaker Podcast, which I seem to mention every single episode recently, and the guy was talking about how he's been wearing these a lot lately, and I was like, oh yeah, that was this year. And it is, boom, the Jordan 3 Tinkers. The Jordan 3s with the swoosh. It don't make sense, but it makes sense and it works for me. Man, if you watch the video review of these, you'll see the sort of gas levels and how excited I was when I got these. I won these off, I think it was off Nike with their whole raffle system. It was just super gassed. I think you can actually pick these up quite easily nowadays. I keep seeing restocks for these all the time on Twitter as well. But the red heel tab is just crazy. The dark black elephant print, crazy. The swoosh, crazy. Tinker Hatfield written behind here. There's just so much going on, and these are super duper fire. And that is my top 5 pickups of the year so far, 6 months into the year. Who knows what's going to be in the list towards the end. I normally do a top 10 list at the end of the year, so who knows? 5 of these might never make it. Who knows what the second half of the year is going to bring. But anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon to get a notification every time I upload. And I upload videos like these every single Monday. Follow me on Instagram as well, which is AshBashSneakers. and my Twitter is Perfection7. All the details are down below in the description. I'm out, signing off. Later, y'all.